All right, Epic Day Traders, I want to show you something that's pretty important. It's a very important price action pattern. I see it a lot every single day, and I'm going to start getting into these a lot more often than usual. Okay, this is the NQ. All right, futures, 1 minute chart. You should be entering in on a 1 minute chart so you get in early enough so that you can go to break even and hold. Unless you're a scalper, and if you're a scalper, you really should hold because the market moves. But that's a whole nother lesson, for another day. Okay, so here we go. When you have especially a new touch, right, a new high of day. So this green dash is basically, session high. When you see the market starting to come down, right? And if you can read these candles, very little price rejection. As soon as this bar opened, went a tick up, went straight down. Very little price rejection on the tail. Now the second bar had nice big price rejection, showing you sellers are in control. Boom, closes red. Now when you have, and this is the pattern, the price action pattern that I'm talking about. When you have a random big body green candle that comes out of nowhere, right? Do you guys know what this means? This is people taking profit, or it's people, right, the market makers taking out stops, because a lot of people got in short here and then boom, they take out the stops with this green bar, right? Liquidity. Now when the next bar closes red, get in. Okay, 9 times out of 10 this trade is going to go. And it sure did. It went really nice. If you would have gotten in at the close, you probably would have gotten filled at 44.32.75, and you could put your take profit right above VWAP. This blue dash dot line here is VWAP, and that's 396.75. So let's do the math for you guys. All right. So we have your entry. Give a little bit of room, 432.25, right? Minus, and let's say you take profit right here, right above VWAP, 396.50. That's 35 3/4 of a point times $20 a point times 8 contracts. That's what you make. Okay, best gig in the world. So this is what you need to look for, but you have to wait because this is, and I'm in Nevada, so this is 712. Okay, so this market, here's a market open at 6:30. Right, this is the opening bar, 6:31. So this market chummed around forever. Okay, look at this. This is all a bunch of crap. It's a whole bunch of chum. It's just a bunch of chop. It's bouncing off the open, bouncing off of VWAP. And they love to do this, bounce off opens and VWAPs. Open is the yellow dash, and then VWAP is the dash blue line here. And then they finally go up, they make a new high, and then this beautiful price action setup that I told you about. Okay? So I hope this helps people out. One more thing I want to point out too, you really should be trading with a footprint chart. And if you look at the footprint chart, you have an exhaustion print here. So even though these bulls had, a lot of power here, boom, they close, green, big engulfing candle. The next candle, there's an exhaustion print. And then the market just goes down from there. And that's a nice 35-point trade. Even if you just got 10 points out of that or 20, that's phenomenal. All right, guys, I hope you're being profitable out there. I'm going to start doing coaching and mentoring again. So if you guys are interested, then just let me know. Join my Facebook group, Epic Day Trading. Have a good night.